Hello there, my friends. The long-awaited and incredibly exciting moment has finally arrived for us. We have prepared our AEROLÖT-01 for its very first test flight. Even though it is already quite dark outside right now, that won't stop us in any way at all. We are determined to fly today. Right now, we will roll our aerocraft out of the hangar and make its first official test flight. So please stay with us because it is going to be very interesting.
Every new flying machine goes through an important milestone, the moment of its first flight tests. And our AEROLÖT-01 is no exception. Aerostatic aircraft, compared to other types, have a significant advantage: their own aerostatic lift. It reduces the load on the power plant and allows us to go through the flight testing stages faster and with more ease, since such aircraft are simpler and more stable to control. But despite this, it's important to remember, what we have here is an experimental model. Unlike traditionally shaped airships, whose behavior in the air is well studied and predictable, here there are significantly more variables to consider. This means that every stage requires meticulous precision, attention, and complete control over the process. That is precisely why we are not rushing and avoid abrupt or premature maneuvers. On this day at the airfield, we practiced vertical takeoff and landing modes. AEROLÖT handled the assigned tasks quite confidently. At the same time, I want to note that the main engines were only operating at 45% of their power. We also tested the craft's ability to hold position over a designated point, its stabilization in the air, easy maneuvering, and movement within a specified area. We are currently processing the data we have obtained and adjusting the control algorithms. After that, we will be able to move on to the next stage of flight testing. So stay with us. Things are only going to get more interesting from here.